Okay guys, so this is a Dodge Ram 2020. I'm going to explain you how to make this key. We're going to use bypass cable to get the pin code. Alright, so the star connector is over here. We just need to connect it like this. Okay, and we're going to put OBD as well. We're going to use the KM100 today. Connected. This is a fob key. So we're going to Dodge. Manual selection. North America. Dodge Ram 2020 fob key. Okay, if you have a LAN key, turn on the ignition. We don't, doesn't really matter, we can turn it on.
Those vary by subscription plan.
Hot function, key learning, start. Okay. Turn the ignition off. Hazard lights on. So we bypassed the system. We got the pin code. We're going to press OK. Yes. Learning successful. That's it. Do you want to learn next key? No. That's it. We have a new key.